Hi there. I'm just going to go over one of the new vocational activities we're going to be doing at school, and some students will be working on at home. And if you're not able to attend our class and we do it during the school day, this will give you some instruction on how to do it at home at a time that works better for you. So the materials might have come to you in one of two ways. You might have gotten a box that looks like this with all the things sorted into the different slots in here, or you may have gotten a collection of bags. Okay, first I'm going to use the bag supplies. Both sets contain all of the same materials. They just look different in how they came to you based on what we had available and how we thought you might use it. Students who got the bags, you can see here, are people we thought that somebody from home would be doing more of the manipulating of the materials, and this was a little more compact, we thought. What I did for this video, at least, is I took the bags and I put them in a shoebox that I found. This is a small shoebox, just so it had one place to live, and I was able to kind of stand the bag up. Do what works for you at home, okay? There's no right or wrong, just a way to keep them organized. The bags have a number on them, either a 1 or one bag has a 2 because we put in 2 of this item when we're filling the bags, okay? This is an assembly task, so we're going to take these bags here and we're going to fill them with the same items from our supplies here, okay? Similar to other activities we've been doing. Okay, so I've got this bag and this one is already open. I'm going to make sure it's nice and open. If the student you're working with enjoys sensory experiences, you can crinkle it a little. You can feel the texture of the bag. These are decently sturdy. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's nice and open. And then we're going to go down the line and fill it up. Okay, so first one item here and we put in. Okay, one of the brushes. This brush is a really nice sensory thing too. You can listen to it a little bit or rub it on your hand. Put in. Okay, next is the nail clippers. Put in. Okay, and then this item is what this item we put 2 of in the bag. All right, so you can match the colors or not. So I'm going to take 1, 2, and 1 nail file, and 1 lotion. And if it's not too distracting to you, you can take a little smell. See how that lotion is? This one's pretty good here. This one is eucalyptus and petitgreen. When we do activities at school, we often read the names of the lotion. It's one of our favorite things. Okay, so that goes in. And then zip our bag closed and put it off to the side. Okay, and so you would keep going until you were finished with the supplies from in here. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side and show one with the box. Okay, and it's gonna look really quite similar. All right, so take one of the red bags, open it up, and I'm gonna go down the line. Take one. Take one. Take one. Remember this one, we're going to take 2. 1, 2. Take 1 and take the lotion. Zip it closed and off to the side. And same, you can keep going until all of your bags are filled. All right. So that is assembling our pedicure kits. All right, and as always, if you have any questions, you can send us an email and let us know.